Hi, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we will see how to make wangi bhat or masala bhat. This is a recipe from Maharashtra. Let us have a look at the ingredients needed now. We have taken about 500 grams or 9 eggplants chopped small, 50 grams or about 12 green peas peeled, 100 grams or 2 small capsicums chopped. We have taken basmati rice, but you can also take raw rice. We took about 1.5 cups basmati chawal. We soaked it in water for 30 minutes and then drained it. 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. This is for tempering. And 1.5 tablespoon stone flour or dagat fool. 1 inch piece cinnamon. About 8 peppercorns. Safed til or sesame seeds 1.5 tablespoon. Bay leaf 1. A small piece nutmeg and 3 green cardamom. Jaggery 1 tablespoon, jaggery or good, 3 tablespoon peanut oil, 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 1/8 of a cup of dry coconut or khubra. In Marathi it's called khubra. 1/4 cup fresh grated coconut. It's a quarter cup. Juice from 2 tablespoon tamarind, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoon curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon goda masala, salt and 3 tablespoon coriander. About 8 grams or 20 cashew nuts. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds or jeera. When the cumin seeds crackle, add the whole spices that we listed out. Now add green chilies and curry leaves. Stir for about 10 seconds, don't let them burn. Add roasted cashew nuts. Now add turmeric powder or haldi. Add the eggplants. Give it a stir. Yeah, keep stirring it. Now add in the capsicums or shimla mirch and the green peas or matar. Add in the red chili powder, lal mirch, goda masala. Mix it well and give it a stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes, stirring intermittently. Now after 5 minutes, the vegetables are cooked. Add the salt and tamarind juice. Mix well and stir. Now add jaggery. Again stir. Yeah, let's give it a good mix. Now add the dry coconut or khubra. Mix it well. Now add the rice which we had soaked for 30 minutes and drained. Yeah, remember we used the basmati chawal. Mix it gently and give it a good stir. Add in the coriander leaves. Now let's add some hot water. We have added 3 cups of hot water to 1.5 cups rice. That is double the rice. Water is double the quantity of rice. Now add in 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix gently. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 7 minutes. Now, after 7 minutes, wow, the rice is cooked, so are the vegetables, and this rice just smells divine. Again, mix gently. Switch off the flame. Add the remaining ghee. Mix. Now garnish with some grated coconut, fresh coconut. Wow, it looks and smells so good. Add in the coriander leaves. Now we are ready to serve the rice. We can have this with raita or pickle or papad or even just as it is. But we are going to have it today with another yummy dish that we have shown in our channel, that is Aluchi Patal Bhaji. Guys, you must check this out. Now again, after serving, we can add in some more grated coconut and coriander leaves for garnish. Yes, that is the Aluchi Patal Bhaji that I spoke about now. Do check it out. And if you really enjoyed watching this, do not forget to subscribe.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.